After years of testing dozens of Citizen timepieces, I've narrowed down the absolute best watches this Japanese powerhouse has to offer. From rugged dive watches to elegant dress pieces, this list covers every style and budget. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned collector, these 10 watches represent the pinnacle of Citizen's craftsmanship, innovation, and value. Number 3 on this list features technology so thin and advanced, it'll completely change what you think a watch can be. Let's dive in. Number 10. Citizen Promaster Tough BN21150E. The Promaster Tough is built for adventure seekers who need a watch that can take a beating. This rugged timepiece features a bold black dial with high-contrast orange accents that make it easy to read in any condition. The 42mm case is constructed from stainless steel and rated for 200 meters of water resistance, making it suitable for serious water activities. What sets this watch apart is its eco-drive technology, meaning you'll never need to replace a battery. The polyurethane strap is comfortable for all-day wear and can withstand harsh environments. The date window at 3 o'clock adds practical functionality. This is the perfect companion for hiking, camping, or any outdoor pursuit where durability matters most. Pros: solar-powered convenience means no battery changes ever needed. Tough construction handles extreme conditions without breaking. Cons: the design might be too bold and sporty for formal occasions. The polyurethane strap can feel stiff initially. Number 9. Citizen Garrison BM818003E. The Garrison is a military-inspired field watch that delivers classic style at an unbeatable price point. This watch features a clean, easy-to-read dial with Arabic numerals and a date window at the 3 o'clock position. The 37mm case size makes it perfect for smaller wrists or anyone who prefers vintage proportions. The canvas strap gives it authentic military character while remaining comfortable during extended wear. Powered by eco-drive solar technology, this watch charges from any light source and runs for months in darkness. The mineral crystal protects the dial from scratches during daily wear. Water resistance up to 100 meters means you can wear it swimming without worry. It's an incredibly versatile watch that works with jeans or business casual attire effortlessly. Pros: affordable price makes it accessible to any budget. Timeless military styling works in virtually any situation. Cons: the 37mm size may feel too small for those preferring larger modern watches. Mineral crystal scratches easier than sapphire. Number 8. Citizen Bryson Chronograph BM692056L. The Bryson Chronograph combines sporty functionality with everyday wearability in one impressive package. This watch features a handsome blue dial with 3 subdials that track elapsed time with precision. The 43mm stainless steel case has a commanding presence without being too large for dress shirts. The tachymeter bezel adds racing-inspired style while serving a practical purpose for speed calculations. Eco-Drive solar charging means reliable timekeeping without battery replacements. The integrated stainless steel bracelet feels solid and well-constructed for the price point. Date display between 4 and 5 o'clock maintains dial symmetry. Water resistance to 100 meters provides confidence for swimming and water sports. This chronograph delivers premium looks and functionality at a fraction of luxury brand prices. Pros: chronograph complications add useful timing functions for sports and daily tasks. Blue dial color offers refreshing alternative to standard black. Cons: the busy dial with multiple subdials can be harder to read quickly. 43mm size might overwhelm smaller wrists. Number 7. Citizen Weekender Garrison Field Edition. The Weekender Garrison Field Edition takes the classic field watch concept and refines it for modern adventurers. This watch features a highly legible dial with bold numerals and hands coated in luminous material for nighttime visibility. The 40mm case strikes the perfect balance between vintage charm and contemporary presence. The nylon NATO strap is easily swappable, allowing you to customize the look for different occasions and outfits. Eco-Drive technology ensures you'll never be caught with a dead battery during your adventures. The screw-down crown enhances water resistance up to 100 meters. Day and date complications provide practical, everyday functionality. This watch transitions seamlessly from weekend camping trips to Monday morning meetings without missing a beat. Pros: NATO strap design allows quick changes for different styles and colors. Luminous hands ensure readability in darkness. Cons: the nylon strap may not be dressy enough for formal business settings. 40mm size sits in middle ground, that some prefer larger or smaller. Number 6. Citizen Chandler BM818003E variant. The Chandler takes the beloved Garrison platform and adds refined touches for those who appreciate subtle sophistication. This variant features an elegant dial layout with applied indices that catch light beautifully. The 37mm case dimensions deliver vintage-inspired proportions that wear comfortably on any wrist size. The leather strap elevates the overall presentation compared to canvas or nylon alternatives. EcoDrive solar charging provides the convenience of never needing battery service. The slim profile slips easily under dress shirt cuffs for business environments. Water resistance to 100 meters means you don't need to baby this watch during daily activities. Citizen's attention to finishing details at this price point is remarkable. It's an excellent choice for anyone building their first quality watch collection. Pros: leather strap provides more refined aesthetic for dressier occasions. Slim profile makes it comfortable for all-day wear under sleeves. Cons: smaller 37mm size doesn't suit everyone's taste in modern watch sizing. Leather requires more maintenance than metal bracelets. Number 5. Citizen Promaster Skyhawk AT, JY807083E. The Skyhawk AT is a high-tech pilot's watch loaded with features that would make aviation enthusiasts drool. This timepiece offers atomic timekeeping synchronized across multiple time zones with radio-controlled accuracy. The 46mm titanium case is surprisingly light, despite its substantial size and complex functionality. Dual time zone displays let you track home and local time simultaneously during travels. Perpetual calendar automatically adjusts for months and leap years until the year 2100. Chronograph functions include split time and elapsed time measurements. The slide rule bezel performs flight calculations traditionally done by professional pilots. EcoDrive charging means all these features run without battery changes. World Time Function covers 26 cities across all time zones globally. Pros: atomic timekeeping provides ultimate accuracy synchronized via radio signals. Titanium construction keeps weight down despite large size. Cons: complex dial with numerous subdials and functions can be overwhelming for casual users. 46mm size is too large for smaller wrists. Number 4. Citizen Tsiosa NJ0150 series. The Tsiosa represents Citizen's return to mechanical watchmaking with stunning vintage-inspired styling. This watch features a beautiful sunburst dial that shifts colors as light hits it from different angles. The domed crystal creates a classic profile that recalls watches from the 1960s and 70s. The automatic movement is visible through an exhibition caseback, showcasing mechanical artistry. The 40mm case size is perfect for those who appreciate vintage proportions with modern reliability. Day and date complications at 3 o'clock provide everyday functionality. The stainless steel bracelet features vintage-style flat links that complement the retro aesthetic perfectly. Water resistance up to 50 meters is suitable for daily wear. This watch proves that mechanical timepieces don't need to cost thousands to deliver authentic charm and quality. Pros: mechanical movement provides traditional watchmaking experience with visible rotor. Vintage styling stands out from modern sports watches. Cons: manual winding or wearing required to keep automatic movement running. Lower water resistance limits swimming activities. Number 3. Citizen EcoDrive 1 AR506457E. The EcoDrive 1 is an absolute engineering marvel that will blow your mind with its impossibility-thin design. At just 2.98 meter thick, this is one of the thinnest light-powered watches ever created by any manufacturer. The minimalist dial features clean lines and subtle indices that emphasize the watch's elegant simplicity. Despite its thinness, it still houses Citizen's reliable EcoDrive solar technology that charges from any light source. The 39mm case diameter provides balanced proportions that work on most wrist sizes. Sapphire crystal protects the dial with superior scratch resistance. The integrated stainless steel bracelet flows seamlessly from the case for unified aesthetics. This watch demonstrates what's possible when engineering excellence meets thoughtful design. Wearing it feels like wearing almost nothing, yet it makes a powerful style statement. Pros: ultra-thin profile slides under any shirt cuff effortlessly. Sapphire crystal provides superior scratch protection for premium feel. Cons: delicate construction requires careful handling to avoid damage. Higher price point than most Citizen offerings. Number 2. Citizen Promaster Diver NY040009EE. The Promaster Diver is a serious tool watch built to ISO standards for professional diving applications. This watch features a rotating bezel with clear markings for tracking dive times safely underwater. The 42mm case is rated for an impressive 200 meters of water resistance with screw-down crown protection. Automatic movement provides traditional mechanical operation favored by diving purists. Day and date display at 3 o'clock adds practical functionality for everyday wear. The rubber strap is designed for comfort during wet conditions and extended diving sessions. Luminous hands and markers ensure excellent visibility in dark water or nighttime conditions. The mineral crystal is designed to resist impacts common in diving environments. This is a genuine professional dive watch at an accessible price point that doesn't compromise on capability or reliability. Pros: automatic movement appeals to mechanical watch enthusiasts. 200-meter water resistance handles serious diving activities safely. Cons: automatic movement requires regular wearing or winding to maintain accuracy. Mineral crystal more prone to scratches than sapphire alternatives. Number 1. Citizen Promaster Fujitsubo Mechanical Diver. The Promaster Fujitsubo takes the top spot as the ultimate citizen dive watch with uncompromising capability. This Japanese domestic market special features exceptional build quality that rivals watches costing significantly more. The robust case construction handles depths up to 200 meters with confidence-inspiring solidity. Automatic mechanical movement with hand winding and hacking seconds provides traditional diving watch operation. The unidirectional bezel operates smoothly with satisfying clicks for accurate dive timing. Day and date display maintains functionality without cluttering the highly legible dial. Applied indices and hands are generously coated with luminous material for darkness visibility. The bracelet features solid links and a secure clasp designed for professional use. This watch represents everything great about Citizen's diving watch heritage in one exceptional package that punches far above its weight class. Pros: Japanese domestic market quality exceeds standard export models. Mechanical movement delivers traditional dive watch authenticity. Cons: limited availability outside Japan makes acquisition more challenging. Higher price reflects premium construction and features.